The ATP World Tour is in Barcelona, the capital city of the autonomous community of Catalonia in Spain, the largest metropolis on the Mediterranean Sea. This popular European destination has a rich cultural heritage and is today an important commercial centre and a major tourist destination. Particularly renowned are the architectural works of Antonio Gaudi's Basilica of the Sagrada Familia, the strange and enchanting Park Güell, and La Pradera, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Real Club de Tennis is home to the Barcelona Open Banc Sabadell and its quarter-finals day on the Catalonian clay. Rafael Nadal's unsurpassable clay court success includes losing only 3 of 48 matches at the Barcelona Open. His quarter-final opponent was Italy's Fabio Fognini, and with the advantage of an early break, Rafa's forehand was once again doing the damage.
It's more like it.
The 8-time champion took the opening set 6-2, but in a very different second set, it was the Italian who edged ahead.
Oh, what a rally.
Phenomenal digs from Fognini.
At 5-4, Fognini served for the set, but typically Nadal's resistance and support of the home crowd would turn the match once again.
It's brutal and brilliant.
That's more like it.
A tiebreak followed, and with Rafa in the ascendancy, he served for the match at 6-1.
Sweet revenge for Rafa.
For a moment in the second set, the things have been so difficult. He had been playing great tennis, hitting a lot of winners, so it's have been a very tough battle in the second, but very happy with my game and obviously for the victory.
Defending champion Kei Nishikori hasn't dropped a set to 11th seed Alex Dolgopolov in their 4 previous meetings, although this was their first on clay. In a close first set, both players were able to produce entertaining tennis, but Dolgopolov turned the screws in the 10th game, earning him set points.
Nishikori's onto it.
Nishikori broke in the very next game, and with the momentum on his side, the champion had a set point of his own.
That's an excellent set of tennis from the 2-time defending champion.
In the second, a rather deflated Dolgopolov struggled to hold his serve, and Nishikori was quick to pounce.
Takes the first one. Cruising is the 2-time defending champion. It's a 13th win in a row here in Barcelona for Kei Nishikori.
Yeah, after I hold my game, I think I was more aggressive and more patient, and everything was working well. So after that, I was a different player.
Wildcard from France, Benoit Paire met the unseeded Malek Jaziri from Tunisia in their first career meeting. In a match that went the distance, the number 6 seed's superior shot-making began to tire his opponent in the decider and was up an early break.
Oh, come on.
And just inside 2 hours, it was Benoit Paire with a match point.
And he can look forward to another big day in his tennis career on Saturday in Spain.
Russia's Andrei Kuznetsov met Philip Kohlschreiber in their quarter-final matchup. Their 2 previous meetings were both here in Barcelona, with the German winning on both occasions, and today's meeting followed a similar pattern, with the number 10 seed advancing to the semi-finals with a 6-3, 6-1 victory. Confirmation then of the final 4. Kei Nishikori will meet Benoit Paire in only their second meeting on this surface. The defending champion won that one. In the other half of the draw, Rafa Nadal will be confident against Kohlschreiber. He has won 11 of their 12 previous meetings. Expect huge crowds for semi-finals day in support of the 8-time champion Rafael Nadal. The Barcelona Open Banc Sabadell continues on Saturday.